Good day and welcome back to the channel, my beautiful peeps. So this is the island in the sun, great Jamaica peeps. So we're on Port Royal right now. We are outside here. That is it, peeps. Yeah, man. So we're outside now, Yeah, General over there. Where's General Liam? Sheldon. Yeah, man. So we're outside today, Sheldon, Yeah. So we are going out on Lime Keep today, peeps, and show them the ropes. It's a good look today. The water calm and everything. It's a good look. I'm sure what I'm Somebody jump off? Oh, my friend, Alright, peeps. So, say our trusted captain this, Mark, come in here. Yeah, man, the man make us safe always, man. Man, I make you feel safe always, eh? First time I said them want to go on the boat. You know, want to go on the boat, only man I make him come up on the boat. So, peeps, I have a load up on the boat. Say, I know we are going to go on the boat, so stay tuned for that. What? When I want them go down first and take all on, yeah? Yes, my peeps, so this is process, and as you enter the boat and you get a seat, you get a life jacket, you see? So, yeah. I'm going to see it. Peeps, so I have to go jump on the boat, So, see it too flat. Get a look at the picture, I go to see anything. My peeps, so the jacket will pass down. I put on a life jacket even though I can't swim. Thing. So, yeah, you put on it. You put on where? That one, just send back up the one there. Can send back up. Yes, my peeps, so this. I have to put on a life jacket in case, But more likely, I have to move for the police. Yeah, for the police. Because when the police stop the boat, you know what it goes?
One more?
Yeah, one more. Alright, peeps. Thank you. So, I tried impossible. Life jacket can't fit me. But I guess it's good over here. Fine.
Kenapa tetan?
Nice, though. Yes, eh? Comping. Outside, So the boat ride. The boat ride good?
Good man.
Yeah.
Nice and peaceful.
Yeah. If see the rough, man. I hope I hear. No, man, if you see the rough, the boat, I hope I hear the boat.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. You don't think this is rough?
No, man, this is rough, man. It's nice.
You know, right?
It's nice, man.
Yes, last time I come I did the rough.
Yeah, man. I'm strapped over last time I come, man. Hold on. Good. Yeah. Oh, I push a key a mill back, man. Nice. Like the storm carry back some sand, let it go over there. Left time because them say I beat up you over there, say, I said.
Yeah.
Go up on the key there. Yeah, cause see the whole of them island you see, they used to connect to the main port island now. Yeah man, they used to connect to the main port island. And when it sink up, them little pieces just left off it, you see me? Yeah. Yes, my feet. So we are coming up on the island right now, you know. So we dip on about 70 foot of water. Yeah, man. That's a whole heap of tourists. Remember last time Alfred come over here and we had two line. Why Alfred couldn't feed himself at all? We have to help our kid. Yeah, no.
Don't worry yourself, man. There will be a part two. And they will catch you most.
Yeah, man. Let's see what going on. You buy the rat? You don't buy the rat?
Yeah, never buy it.
Yeah, man, deep. So, as we say, a whole heap of tourists on the island. Yeah, man. You know, the tourist attraction. Yeah, man. And you know that a whole spot, camping spot, right? That's it. Huh? Yeah, man. Man, the island is sun peeps. Look at the sun. Nice. So we're gonna pull up on the bay, you know. I'll unload off at the boat. Steve, we know we're gonna find one normal spot where we not want to camp. You know? You know, oh, island, you know what I said? All of them people know the island. Oh,
Basically, live on it.
live on it. Yes, the people. So, we need to do some camping on the island. You know? By next 2 weeks' time, yeah, man, we're gonna line up a trip for the next 2 weeks' time. The weekend, so you leave on the Saturday and come back Sunday evening. We'll do some fishing the night. And the day we'll cook it up same way. It's a wonderful day. Seeing us so rough. Breeze is so, not blow so hard. But you know we outside like all the time. Yes? Yes, sir. Have I enjoyed the day today? Fun in the sun, eh? Yeah, man. Alright. Ready?
No one drinking too much.
Show, man, show.
Sure.
Right. Show the front. Show the front part of the buckle, man. Guarantee what? Full strength.
Yeah.
What are you drink, bro? Kingston, what? 62. You know, Pete, so finally meet Captain Francis. You know, we are friend on TikTok. But you know, we are friend in real life now, Pete. You know, a captain at the captain place this stuff. You know? Camp out, guys, as you know,
One island lifestyle.
yes, Pete. That is it. Jamaica Adventures. Go over to TikTok, babes. Captain Francis. Good captain. See it?
Yeah, man, big up on yourself.
You want to come on a camping trip? Tell them what I go on. Tell them what I go on.
Every other mountain. Last Saturday and every other month. Camp, movie, bonfire, music, treasure hunt. The whole works. Anything we have to do with camping, we do it out here.
Yes, so that is it, bro.
Yeah, man, big up
Big up
yourself.
yourself, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, babes, we are come from one of them camping at one at a time now. You see? You know, we camp yourself over here, but we need to come from one of them camping here and band more with people, see? So, Captain Francis do that, see? So, tell people your number now.
470-1704.
Alright.
I already don't know it will drop the
Yeah,
connection.
yeah, man. Babes, you just see the number run across the screen. So, just lock it in,
Yeah, man.
call him.
I'm going to take that video here, I post it, so make sure you follow
Jamaica
Jamaican
Adventures.
Adventure, you see me?
Yeah, man.
I'm going to tag him in the video and everything.
That is it,
Yeah,
Captain.
man, big up.
Alright, Captain.
Just
Okay. Let's swim right now, you know? All the babes, Captain Francis and him crew over there, so we're going, babes. Yeah, man, the island in the sun. So we're outside, so we have to take a one chuck off now and show you where we're going. Yeah, man. So remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe to Jamaica Adventures. See? Yeah, man. Yeah. Guys, you know Captain Francis over here, you know? Captain, what go on? Show me what go on. Give me a run now.
Alright, see the campsite out on the island. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Everybody just set team. Some of the people in there, them just gone hunt. So we do a treasure hunt out here, isn't it? So them gone out, gone hunt. I think 2 treasure found, 2 of 3. The movie is set up here now. Yes. As I put on the screen, as soon as light gone, sun gone down, we're gonna light the bonfire there. Turn on the screen, we're gonna watch a movie, then after that some music. And I see some people bring some alcohol. Hold a little vibe until bedtime. You see me? Get up in the morning, music again. In the early morning, sweet, sunshine, don't know the things yet.
Yeah, man,
and I out on one island with it, and a regular camping.
Yeah, man. This is the island in the sun, you know? You know, most of them have the winter over there. And leave far out of Jamaica right now. See Captain Francis here? You have it out on the island of the sun. I take the sun and I get the good vitamin D. That is it, peeps. So, peeps, remember, guys, you're going to tag him number. You're going to tag everything for him, see? So, just go over there, link him. And just follow it on the island, man. You know?
Vibe. I will do this every other month.
Every other month.
Every other month.
So that is it, my peeps.
So the next one in March.
Alright. That's our road, my bro. You know?
Big up on the stuff.
You know where I don't know, is in? Yeah, man. You don't say like all the time, you know? Johnny? No, I don't have a number, but you know, links in it, you know? Yeah, man, peeps. I'm looking bridge in this, you know, we're up on the boat. So you outside, you know where I go over. You know? Yeah, man. Peeps, you need to lose the belly, you know, but we are work on it. So I'm going to start a new channel, guys. Where it basically I feel like my daily living, seeing everything we do, anything we do, everything and anything we do, it's not about one thing, right? So you know we outside like all the time. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. So peeps, so I push out the boat there. That's it. So this is one thing women like with when the people come a line key. So you have some chuck peeps, they can walk right on the island, right? But this is one thing, you see all them things are necessary, see? Yeah, man. As you say, peeps, then, so the people who come a lime key, them just need to keep the island clean, yeah, big enough place. Yeah, man. So you know, Captain Francis always, if I'm film side we see my camp, always get it clean and everything, peeps. You see me? Not even walk going there breeze, so they can't hear me. I say, always get it clean and everything. When we come camp, we always clean the place same way. But peeps, you know, we are going to link up and we are fall come camp over here. You know? Yeah, man, we are fall come camp over here next 2 weeks time. Next 2 weeks time, the next weekend, after this weekend, we're over here camping, you see? Because you know, we have a whole heap of tent from Marlon. Marlon Chung, big up yourself, you know? Mr. PJ, big up yourself, Mr. PJ, see? Yes, man. Kirky from Bushy Park, big up yourself, bro, you know? One Kirky out there living, peeps. Fall, big up yourself, Folly. You know, we outside like all the time, peeps. Remember, guys, like, share Jamaica Adventures. I'm showing you the chip of reaching, and we are going, and we are moving off, see? So stay tuned, go outside. Hold on and load up. Hey, right, there's a cover here, so if I can get the anchor. Yeah, man, peeps, you know, 60 Yamaha, you know, fastest engine on the block, you know, yeah, man. What is it, bro, you enjoy it there?
Fully, man, fully
That
active.
is it, man. What is it? Active.
Island nice, man.
Yeah, man. Hold on, I said, can the boat move here? Yeah, hold on. Alright. All aboard. Over there. Ah, the bowman that. Hey man, bowman, man. Go up and jar the anchor, bowman. Captain, how bowman are going? You know what jar the anchor? You help? You help? You good?
George, right out, right out. Right out, go man.
Oh, the moment. You know? And the one Captain Mark over here, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. You know? Now I'll leave him number, peeps. Film number run across the screen. So anytime you want to come out Lime Key, you know Captain Mark there too, you know? Captain Francis after the camping and Captain Mark.
Yeah.
You know?
One link.
One link, you know? Yeah, man. So just do the right thing, peeps. You know, Captain Mark outside like all the time. That is it, man. Yes, my peeps. No, I have it today. Yes, my peeps. There's some nice dolphin there. So I go on. I try them. Yeah. So the girl comes from the side of the boat.
Watch you know?
Yeah, man, watch yes.
I've seen this movie.
See the peeps. See cold. Nice dolphin, you know? Whoa! Dolphins. You know? Yeah, man, peeps. The wonder of nature, you know? Protect of human, you know? So like a scene from Godzilla. There's some peeps we reach back to the airport, you know? Yeah, man, see how I'm going? Yeah, man. You know, when I did it, I come see we fishing out the saying, but you know the thing is in, we are for the bigger fish them, so I duck up back here now, go up on land, you know the thing go, you know. That is it, man, you know. That is it, peeps. You know, we already know man now, you know. You know, come social to social over here. Yeah, me just, you know. So people can know what I go on. So yeah. Yes, talk on my camera.
Yeah. Should I look at it?
Yeah, talk on, just talk.
I'm not good at this.
No, don't just talk, man. Nobody know what you know, you know. Just
Yeah,
talk.
I know. Okay. Loctician, Toronto Loctician, Natty Dreads, NATTI .dreads, DREADS, it at Instagram, at TikTok, YouTube soon to come. We'll be in Jamaica, we'll be in Toronto, we'll be all over.
Yeah, man.
All
So
over.
peeps, so never left our thing them down there, you can see them run across the screen, see? So just lock in, you know, left our number in the description same way. I left our number, no, we don't left our number run across the screen, so you know, all the thing they go, you know?
Crazy people.
Yeah, but that's the business part, see? So remember guys, we outside like all the time, say enjoy your day today.
Of course.
Alright,
Wonderful
so
time.
remember guys, we outside like all the time, Jamaica Adventures, see? Yo,